Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, January the 24th, 2020. We have two Sudokus, two beautiful Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. But we will start with the light Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here 1 in the first row, a 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for a 1 is here or there. I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be here. A 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only place for the 1 is here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then I see in this big square 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here a 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. The only place for the 2 should be here in this big square. Then the 2 in the the 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 place left for the 2. This should be the 1. The 2 in this row, the third row, 2 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 is here. 2 in the middle row, 2 in the row below. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here already a 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes. Let me see. A 3 in this row, a 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, so no 3 here, 3 should be there. 3, wait, yes, a 3 in this last column, a 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 3 is here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 is here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 is here. And all the threes are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Let me see. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here a 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 4. It should be this one. Then yes. This row, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 4 and 5. I see here already a 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. I see there a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then let me continue with this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 1 missing number in this column for the number 9. Yes. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. 1 missing number in this row for the number 8. Yes. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 7. 1 missing number in the first row for the number 7. 1 missing number in the middle row for the number 9. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 7. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 8 and 9. I see here 8. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in the third column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers for this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in the second column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 8 goes here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 8. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of the last a big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we finish this in exactly 10 minutes. Alright, people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you want, or if you like. You can also download the PDF file, so you can solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the Sudoku Heavy. Alright, bye-bye.